it's sighting everything, like you say, and installing it. It's not. It's quite an upheaval.
So a bit less than you might think actually, and there's things like our online sizing tool that can help with the design and the planning. Plus, once you've installed your first heat pump, Ideal will come out and help you with that first commission, so it's a bit like getting that extra training on site.
Right.
A lot of them don't have the staff or the people, you know, like the aftercare, they don't understand the heat pumps and stuff like that.
There is lack of support out there in general, which is why we decided at Ideal Heating to create our own dedicated heat pump team. Within that, we've got remote support, either via phone calls to our technical help desk or even video calls whilst you're on site. And we can also send one of our dedicated heat pump engineers that have got fully equipped vans with stock and equipment to help you when needed.